Today's video, we will take out the rear bumper of 2021 Kia Forte. First, we lift up the parking brake, then we will lift up the car. I'm using a 4-wheeler jack to lift up the car, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake, otherwise the car will fall apart. Once we have lifted the car properly, very first step is we take out the clips and screws from the bottom, from right side, then left side, finally from the top. Now let's jump into the process. We will start off taking out 3 clips from the very edge of the underneath side, and the tool we are using is the door upholstery remover. 2 clips are right besides each other and the third one is towards the mudguard side, and all of them needs to be taken out. Notice where the exhaust side is on the bumper, right besides is a clip that needs to be taken out. A little ahead, another similar clip we will take out. Take out another clip which is holding a plastic cover. Once the clip is out, we will take out 2 extra 10mm nuts. Here I am using a 10mm wrench. Once both nuts are out, this helps us to make some room and take out the final clip which is underneath the bumper. With that clip, we are done from the middle side. The other side remains the same process, only this clip needs to be taken out extra. Apart from that, those 3 clips also needs to be taken out. Bottom side is done. Now we jump on to the corners. Notice there's not enough room there, so we will use a small wrench with a Phillips bit. This will do the job and we can take out the first screw. Similar process, we'll take out the second screw. Then a clip on the top. And finally take out a screw using a Phillips screwdriver. Now we can slightly pull the edge of the bumper. Don't be surprised to see the mudguard falling apart. The other corner side has a similar process. Take out 2 screws. Then take out a clip from top, and then finally take out a screw using a Phillips screwdriver, then slightly pull the edge of the bumper, with the mudguard falling itself. In order to take out this bumper, we also need to take out the tail lights, and for that we need to take out the covers. There are 2 clips to this cover. Take it out using door upholstery remover. Then make some room and notice there are 4 nuts that also needs to be taken out. Take them out one by one using 10mm wrench. Then take out the plug for the taillight. Make sure to push the harness from the middle so that the taillight is not stuck. Then slightly pull out the taillight along with the harness. Once the taillight is out, notice there is 1 clip that needs to be taken out. Alongside, take out a screw using a Phillips screwdriver. I would not repeat the steps in taking out the other side taillight, so instead we will jump straight towards taking out the taillight. Then take out 1 clip alongside the screw right besides. Now we can slightly pull down the complete rear bumper. Now this car has rear fog lights, so we will take out the plugs for both of them from both sides. Once both plugs are out, with that we are done taking out the rear bumper completely. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.